What you can expect the hour before a skin removal surgery as someone who got their arm and back lift a week ago, and I also got a tummy tuck in December of 2023 with a breast lift. So got to the office, got marked up with the markers, spoke to this anesthesiologist, just, checking in on the last few stats. Then you get moved into the operating room where they will put your IV in your hand, and then I got leg, compression put on to help circulate your blood. This is, where my tummy tuck, I was crying hysterically. Like, I was so terrified. This time around, I think because I already knew what was coming, I felt a little bit more okay. They had a little this is the annoying part. They do tend to have trouble getting your IVs in because you're dehydrated from not drinking for, since the night before. So both times around, especially this time, I had to do my IV in my hand. For having an arm lift, they're most likely gonna have to do the IV in your hand. For my tummy tuck, they were able to do my IV in my arm. So yeah, they had to do it twice. The nurse was like rubbing my shoulder because I was getting a little like, oh God, You just start to freak out a little bit because you're like, if I can't handle this little prick in my hand, how am I gonna be going through recovery? But I will say I went out a little bit faster this time. I was telling the nurse, I was trying to talk to the nurse about different stuff. I was telling her I might need new glasses after this. And they make them with blue light protection. So it's better to just try to stay lighthearted. I really did freak out though for my tummy tuck because I was so scared for having the first time going through this process and not knowing how I was going to come out on the other side. But I will say the second time through, you're just a little bit more confident with okay, you can handle this. So if it's your first surgery, just expect to be emotional, okay? Your second surgery, you might be like, all right, I got this. But then, poof, legit, you are just gone in your aggressive nap and you wake up, and I'll do a little bit, another video about what happens when you wake up.